Have you ever dreamt of exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations that won't break the bank in 2024? Ready to uncover 10 undiscovered gems where adventure meets affordability? Get your bags packed and join us on an unforgettable journey to these budget-friendly hidden havens. Number 10. Slovenia, gem of Central Europe. Slovenia is a picture-perfect country that is famous for the breathtaking natural beauty that it possesses, and it is located right in the middle of Central Europe. The Julian Alps provide mountaineering, skiing, and hiking opportunities in addition to their stunning scenery, making them an ideal destination for people who enjoy being outdoors. The limestone structures of the country's karst plateau provide fascinating scenery, and the area is also home to the world-famous Postojna Cave, which is one of the largest cave systems in Europe. Number 9. Georgia, undiscovered paradise of the Caucasus. Georgia is a country that has a long and illustrious history, and it also has a rich cultural heritage. It is located in Eurasia, between the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea. Hiking, skiing, and exploring stunning vistas are just some of the activities that thrill seekers can enjoy in the Caucasus Mountains, which create a dramatic backdrop. Wine lovers should make it a point to travel to the Kakheti region of Georgia because the region's vineyards produce some of the oldest wines in the world. The dynamic city of Tbilisi, which serves as the capital of Georgia, deftly combines its long history with the conveniences of the present day. The old town is a maze of winding alleys and quaint buildings, while the city's modern art culture gives the city's cultural landscape a dash of hipster flair. Number 8. Albania. Albania is a beautiful country with a rocky mountainous interior and a breathtaking coastline that is quickly becoming a popular tourist destination. The Albanian Riviera is known for its stunning beaches and crystal blue waters, making it an excellent location for a variety of aquatic activities. For those interested in photography, the Lagra Pass is an absolute must-see location since it offers unobstructed views of the Ionian Sea. Ancient ruins and archaeological sites in Albania provide a glimpse into the country's long and eventful past. The Ottoman architecture in the town of Gjirokastër, which is on the list of World Heritage Sites maintained by UNESCO, is remarkably well preserved. Number 7. Bosnia and Herzegovina. Bosnia and Herzegovina, which is located in the Balkans, is home to a variety of breathtaking landscapes as well as historical sites and artifacts. The Dinaric Alps offer visitors the chance to go trekking, rafting, and exploring verdant valleys, all against the backdrop of a mountain range that is both stunning and beautiful. The historic Stari Most Bridge, also known as the Old Bridge, is the town of Mostar's claim to fame. Sarajevo, the nation's capital, is a thriving metropolis that displays a singular synthesis of Ottoman, Austro-Hungarian, and Yugoslavian influences. Its old core, known as Bar, is a labyrinth of narrow alleyways filled with handmade stores and traditional cafes. The low cost of living in Bosnia and Herzegovina, in addition to the country's stunning natural scenery and important historical sites, makes it an attractive tourist destination for those who are watching their spending. Number 6. North Macedonia. North Macedonia is a landlocked country in the Balkans that is home to some of the most breathtaking mountains, peaceful lakes, and picturesque rivers in the region. It is one of the oldest and deepest lakes in Europe, and it is located in the country of Macedonia. Lake Ohrid is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it offers chances for swimming, boating, and viewing historic monuments. Ancient ruins, churches built in the Byzantine style, and picturesque cobblestone lanes can be found in the city of Ohrid, which is nestled on the lake's banks. The city of Skopje, which serves as the capital, is known for its varied architectural styles, which range from Ottoman to neoclassical to brutalist. Number 5. Armenia. Armenia is a well-kept secret that has a plethora of historical and natural gems despite its remote location in the Caucasus Mountains. The historic churches and monasteries of Armenia, such as the Geghard Monastery and Korvirip, are excellent examples of the country's Christian legacy as well as its architectural expertise. Lake Sevan is one of the highest freshwater lakes in the world, and it provides a peaceful backdrop for a variety of water activities and opportunities for leisure. Those who take pleasure in spending time in nature and exploring the great outdoors will find the Armenian highlands, with their craggy mountains and verdant valleys, to be a veritable paradise. Armenia is an appealing location for tourists on a tight budget who are interested in immersing themselves in the country's vibrant cultural scene. The country is known for its friendly hospitality and affordable costs. Number 4. Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan is a country that is located in Central Asia and is home to many old towns and rich history. The historic Silk Road passed through this region in the past, and as a result, it left behind a spectacular collection of mosques, madrasas, and mausoleums. Samarkand, Bokhara, and Khiva are cities that conjure up the mysticism of the past with their complex blue-tiled domes and intricate Islamic architecture. Khiva is also known as the City of the Golden Minarets. Not only are these ancient cities fascinating to explore, but they also give visitors a look into the thriving commercial and cultural interactions that took place along the Silk Road. The vibrant bazaars of Uzbekistan, such as the Korsa Bazaar in Tashkent and the Sayab Bazaar in Samarkand, offer an overabundance of colors, smells, and flavors to stimulate all of the senses. Visitors get the opportunity to experience a wide variety of delectable street delicacies and acquire authentic Uzbek crafts and textiles at costs that are within their budgets. Number 3. Laos. Laos is a landlocked country in Southeast Asia that is bordered by China, Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. It is known for its breathtaking natural scenery and extensive cultural history. Laos is home to one of the most famous waterways in all of Southeast Asia, the Mekong River. Along the Mekong, visitors can take gorgeous boat tours and catch glimpses of traditional river life. Luang Prabang is a beautiful town that has been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The town's architecture is a mix of French colonial and Laotian styles. The city's calm ambience, along with the saffron-clad monks and the regular alms-giving ceremony, contribute to the creation of an ethereal and religious ambience. Cave exploring, kayaking, and rock climbing are just some of the outdoor activities that can be enjoyed in the beautiful setting that is provided by Vang Vieng, which is bordered by limestone karst mountains and green rice terraces. The Plain of Jars is a mystery archaeological site in Laos that contains thousands of ancient stone jars strewn across the terrain. Archaeologists have been scratching their heads for millennia over the mysterious beginnings and functions of these jars. Foodies are in for a real treat when they try Laotian cuisine because it features lots of fresh herbs, spices, and other fragrant ingredients. The costs of delectable meals like sticky rice, spicy papaya salad, and minced meat salad are very reasonable. The people of Laos have a warm and easygoing attitude, which contributes to the country's overall allure. Because of this, Laos is an excellent travel destination for individuals in search of peace and more profound immersion in the culture of Southeast Asia. Number 2. Nicaragua. The largest country in Central America, Nicaragua is home to a diverse landscape that includes verdant jungles, active volcanoes, and stunning beaches. The coastlines of both the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea provide a wide variety of beaches that are excellent for surfing, swimming, and beachcombing. A living testimony to Nicaragua's colonial heritage is the city of Granada, which retains much of the colorful architecture and cobbled streets of the original settlement. The Masaya Volcano National Park is located nearby and offers visitors the extraordinary chance to look into the crater of an active volcano. Omtepe Island, which is found in Lake Nicaragua and was created by the combination of two volcanoes, is a paradise for people who are interested in the natural world. Activities such as paddling a kayak, birdwatching, and hiking are just some of the numerous ways to experience the natural beauty that Nicaragua has to offer. Travelers on a limited budget will find that Nicaragua's accommodations, public transportation, and dining establishments all come at a reasonable cost, making it an attractive destination option. Number 1. Guatemala. Guatemala is a country that is rich in history and is surrounded by natural beauty. It is known as the heart of the Mayan culture. Tikal's ancient Mayan ruins, which are located in the middle of a thick rainforest and have been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, provide a fascinating look into the Mayan civilization's accomplishments in the field of architecture. A site of spectacular beauty, Lake Atitlan is characterized by its proximity to several active volcanoes as well as traditional Mayan settlements. Visitors have the opportunity to engage with the indigenous cultures who are close to the area, explore the lake's shoreline, and hike the adjacent volcanoes. UNESCO has designated the lovely colonial town of Antigua in Guatemala as a World Heritage Site due to the town's well-preserved Spanish architecture. As they make their way through the city's winding, cobblestone streets, tourists will come across colorful facades, towering churches, and a thriving arts and crafts culture. The varied topography of Guatemala, which includes verdant mountains, volcanic hills, and tropical rainforests, provides a picture-perfect setting for eco-tourism activities like hiking and discovering hidden waterfalls. A mouth-watering assortment of flavors may be found in Guatemalan cuisine thanks to the combination of Mayan and Spanish culinary traditions. The native cuisine, which ranges from robust stews to delightful pastries, is not only good but also very reasonable. The hospitality and friendliness of the Guatemalan people ensure that visitors feel right at home, and the low cost of living in the nation makes it an excellent choice for tourists who are interested in having a truly authentic cultural encounter.